Okay, so the buyers in North Florida have changed over time. And if you own apartment communities in North Florida, you should probably know who's showing up to the table right now. So, back in 2016, the average market rate transaction was about $12 million. And as you can see, by 2025, the average roughly doubled to about 21 million. Okay, so obviously bigger deals mean bigger buyers. I mean, there was institutional money, there's private equity, and there's national groups that weren't paying as much attention to our markets a decade ago. Now, that's kind of a double-edged sword for you as an owner. On one hand, the capital kind of compresses cap rates a little bit. It lifts values across the board. And even your smaller assets sort of benefit from that rising tide. But on the other hand, there's more competition for these larger, both stabilized and value-add communities. Now, granted, full transparency, it wasn't a straight climb all the way. As you can see here in 2024, the deal size actually dropped back to about $11 million dollars because all these bigger institutional players, they basically just kind of paused during that rate shock. But in 2025, they definitely came right back. And that trend over the decade is unmistakable. The smart, large scale money has definitely discovered back North Florida, and that's good for everybody. So, a question may be, are you positioned to sell to that kind of buyer or to compete with them? Either way, knowing who's active in your market kind of changes how you play the game. Of course, I'm happy to speak with you about your strategy. Hopefully, this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one.